Hey, Matt Collum here. Today what I've got for you is a little fishing kit that I made. Some people refer to it as a hobo fishing kit or survival fishing kit. This is it right here. Just a single PVC pipe. I got some bank cord on one end, fishing line on the other end, capped on both ends. Got some supplies on the inside. So I'm going to go through what I have on the inside of it and kind of show you what I made based on my idea of a survival or hobo fishing kit. So let's take a look. Alright, so let's take a look at what we've got. It's like I said, hobo fishing reel or survival fishing reel rod, whatever you want to call it. Got bank line, duct tape, fishing line, some Ranger bands on the outside. Makes a good grip on that bank line. You can also use that for trot line or fishing. It's a 100-pound test, so it's pretty heavy duty. I've got a green string sticking out here. You'll see what that is once I open it up. And again, this side will open, so I'm going to pull off the end. It's a regular PVC cap. And then I have this attached to a lead on a lure that is a tri-hook. So that makes it easier just to pull everything out so you're not having to dig as you go. So I've got a couple of jig heads right at the top, red and a green. First thing out, got some fish hooks. Got about 10 different fish hooks of varying sizes, even got a couple of different colors. Red, gold, some different ones. Different sizes, really small up to a little bit larger. Got a bag so that they're easier to keep up with, so they're not all spread out inside of there. So it just keeps them all together. But different sizes, so you never know what you're going to be fishing for depending on the area. And as you continue to pull out, got some weights and swivels also in a little bag. This just has about 6 or 7 split weights, some slide weights, and some swivels, to hook, attach to the end of the line, be able to put your hooks on and off pretty easy. And then of course, your weights, so you'll be able to cast out a little bit of distance, most likely be fishing from a bank or something like that, so you want to be able to cast out. And again, they're in a bag just to keep them together so that they're not spread out all over the dumped out and everything. And again, 1/2-inch PVC. As you can see, you can put whatever you need down in there. You could even maybe put a little blade or something in there. I did not include a blade with this because typically I have a pocket knife on me. But you could definitely put a blade or small something in there. So I've got some rubber worms and jigs, some little small fish, different colors. Again, you don't know what water you're going to be fishing in, so you want to have kind of a variety. And of course you can always dig up grubs, worms, crickets, grasshoppers, whatever's available to fish with. And then like I said, I included this because it made it easier to pull things out of there without having to use a stick or something to dig it out. But it's just got 3 hooks on the end. But you can use this to fish with also. It's got that spoon on there. It just has a little lead so I can pull everything out. As I pull it out, everything comes with it. So a couple of jigs there, different colors and variety. And again, you can put whatever you want in there. This is just an idea of having everything in the little PVC pipe. Keeps it all together. The line is on there, so you'll be able to cast it pretty easily. So that's what I have. This is my version of the hobo or PVC survival fishing kit, whatever you want to call it. I probably would rather call it a survival fishing kit because it'd be something you definitely probably use in a survival situation. You could throw this in your bug out bag or in your vehicle, or you could just even stick this in your pocket if you needed to and have it available to fish with if needed. So appreciate you guys taking a look. Let me know what you think, and have a great day. Thanks.